What's up? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Jordan 5 Raging Bull that's releasing on April 10th. Alright, so this is the box right here. It's already been cut. I'm super excited because it's my early pair. It's my first time buying some shoes before the release date. So here we go. Here with the box. I hate that it's not in the other box that the men's got, but I guess so. Here we go. These are nice, bro. These are so dope. I just love a new shoe smell, man. I'm so happy to have these, bro. So here go the shoe. Looking at it, I don't really see any like blue stains or like any defects on it. Like this pair is really nice. The suede is really soft and smooth. I love this red. Like I thought this red was gonna be kind of, I guess, lighter than this, but I'm glad it is. The camera it look kind of bright red, but in person it's not that bright. But you got the 3 on the tongue. You got the 23 right here. So yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say about the shoe. Like it speaks for itself. I know on the camera it look lighter, but it's not this light red that you see. It's way darker than this. So I mean, I'm telling you, if you want them, go get them, cause y'all know these releases been crazy lately. Like everything is selling out. So if you really want this shoe, I would suggest that you either get it from StockX if you can, or just try your best to get them on April 10th when they drop. So now I'm gonna let y'all check these things out on feet, and thank you for checking out my review, and I'll see y'all in the on feet.